Here she is again. She's helping me fix computers. Very lovey this minute. You just never know what's going to happen in the next minute. She just bit me a second ago. Not draw blood, just playing. She's a good girl. Well, sorta. Oh, Daisy, my love. Yeah, oh, we're so happy today. When it's her idea, anyway. Yes, she gets her fair share of loving. Probably more than most, since she's out in the shop with me most of the time. She's so soft. Tummy? Oh, what got your tummy? Oh my, yes. Reach out and pet your listeners. Reach out and pet them. Yeah, ow. There we go. Okay. Everybody can see Sweet Daisy is fine. There we go.